think we are thirsty. I think we should buy a soda bottle on the vending machine.
I know, right, Miss Marmalady, I am thirsty too. Well then, let's buy some soda bottles. Well, since I have money inside the pocket, I'm going to put it inside the vending machine.
Okay, just go ahead. Put the money inside the vending machine. Hey, Judy. What's going on with your money? Is there something wrong with it?
I think there is something wrong with these money. I think it's not working or something. Well, let me try it again. Oh, come the frick on. Why does money didn't work for the vending machine? This is so bullcrap. Let me try it again, and I mean it this time. There. Now the money is now working. Now, I wanted the orange soda bottle.
And I want the Coca-Cola one for me, please.
You got that right, Miss Marmalady. Anyway, I will buy them now.
Hey Judy. What happened to the vending machine? Is there something wrong or broken?
Well, I don't know, Miss Marmalady. I think we should wait until the drinks is pop out. Oh, for the love of God. Why does the soda bottle have not popped out yet? I think the vending machine is broken, so screw this.
You know what, that's it. We are going to knock down the vending machine to see how you like it.
There. That is what you get for not getting the soda bottle.
Oh crap. It's Victor and Jessica.
Judy and Miss Marmalady. Were you the one who knocked down the vending machine, huh? What do you have to say for yourselves?
Yes. We did. We just wanted to buy a soda bottle because that is not popped out.
Well, that doesn't mean that the soda bottle has popped out. You just knocked down the machine. You know that costs $4,000.
I agree with Victor. So, get at and tell your parents and guardians for what you both did. Now go.
Judy, we just heard about that you knocked down the vending machine along with Miss Marmalady. You know that vending machine costs $4,000.
And because of what you did, you are grounded for 5 days. Go to your room now.
Well, Miss Marmalady, we can't believe you knocked down the vending machine along with Judy. You know that vending machine costed like $4,000.
I agree with Butterbean. And for this, you are grounded until 4th of July. Go to your room.